Hello everybody, Pedro Travels here, and people have been asking me what software do I use to make my travel videos. I usually say Premiere Pro, and the first question I get is it hard to use? I always say, well, it takes its time, but today I'm gonna show you 5 simple and easy steps for you to use on Premiere Pro. And by the end of this video, with these 5 simple and easy steps, you'll be able to make any kind of video on Premiere Pro. So let's get into the software. Okay, so first things first, we have a folder here with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 videos and 1 song. Now we just need to open the software, creating a new project, and we're gonna name it 5 steps, and we're gonna save it on our folder that's in the desktop called 5 steps and save it. That's alright, that's the first thing to do. So once you open the software for the first time, this is what you will get. So the first things we need to do is import the footage. So I have a folder here with a couple of videos and 1 song. I just grab them and just drag it onto the software, and it's imported already. First step done, importing the footage. Now we need to create a sequence so we can make our video. So I just grab any video, drag it onto the timeline, and that's it. I create my first sequence. Now I just clear it. So I have a clean timeline. This is our first sequence. Now we need to start making our video. I'm gonna teach you how to import the footage onto the sequence. The easiest way is just to grab it and drag it. And you're gonna have a long video here. So I'm gonna clear it. I'm gonna teach you an easy way. So you double click one of the video and the video comes up here, and you just go and you find the part of the video that you want to use. From here, let's give an example. From here, I press mark in, play, it's looking good, and I press out. I don't want any more. That's it. So this icon here, it says drag video only. If you want to drag the audio, if perhaps this video has audio and you want to drag the audio only, you press here. If you want everything together, you just grab the video and you just drag it onto the timeline. But now I just want the video. So I grab the video, I drag it to the timeline. Keep existing settings, and I have the video on the timeline already. If I press play, that's it. So I'm just gonna put these ones up so I can work a bit better, and this one's down because now I'm gonna import the audio. So this is the audio I have. If I press twice, the audio comes here, and the same thing you did with the video, you do with the audio. You press mark in, you press play, I'm just gonna go fast forward, and I want it until here. Mark out. That's it. So now I grab the audio only and I put it here. Now I'm gonna teach you some tools so you can work around with this. First tool is the selection tool. You can select this icon, grab and drag it along. Put up, down, left, right, everything. You can do the same with the audio. You go right and you go left. You also have the razor tool. If you press it, I can see there's a peak on the audio here, and I want to cut the video on the same spot. So I just come here and I cut it. I go on the selection tool, I right click on this part of the video and I clear it. So if I press play, you're gonna see that it finishes here. See, it finished. The selection tool, when you have it selected, if you go on the end of the video, you can drag it and extend the video. The video is like this, and I want to cut it until here. Instead of using the razor tool, I can just come on the end of the video and just drag it back here. And it's going to do the same thing. If I press play, and it finished. So we imported the footage to the software, we created a sequence, and then we imported the footage onto the sequence. I teached already about the selection tool and the razor tool, which is the ones you're going to use most. I'm gonna make a short video here with the same tools I just taught you. So the first part is here, and I'm gonna use some other footage. So let's fast forward this. And that's it, guys. I just did a very short video, but it teaches you how to work around the stuff. Now, with your creativity and with the footage you get, you're gonna make your own video. So I'm gonna play this one for you. Now that the video is done, the last thing we need to do is to export it. So we have the timeline selected. We just go File, Export, Media. And now I'm just going to leave the settings as they are. I'm just going to change the output name and I'm going to select 5 steps. I'm going to save it here. And I'm going to change the name to 5 steps and save. Now I'm just gonna here render at maximum depth and export. And now that I have exported the video, I'm just gonna come here and it's here, export. Now that the video is done and exported, you just need to upload it on YouTube or any other platform. With these 5 easy steps, you can make literally any kind of video. Now it's up to you and your creativity to make your own videos. Now this was my first tutorial ever. If you have any questions or any suggestions, just put them on the comments below. I'll be answering them very shortly. Now every Tuesday I'll be making these kind of videos, teaching you how to make videos, how to make travel videos, how to work with this kind of software. There's lots to learn. So everything I know I'll be passing on to you. And if you haven't subscribed yet, press that subscribe button and I'll see you guys next week.